So today I'm going to be reviewing the Arenti. This is the baby monitor that you can use with your cell phone, LCD, any device. So we're gonna unbox it and I'll show you what it looks like. So when you open up the Arenti box, this is the All Nanny baby monitor. You have the manual, and then you also have information. This is just like a sticker that you can stick on your home. And of course you have the monitor. Now this is the monitor that is one of the first monitor that actually supports cell phone using app and also LCD screen. What the monitor looks like, you can see it. It has that lovely fabric in there, and you can actually attach. It gives it that cute, adorable look. Of course, you're going to remove the plastic wrap from it. This is the control panel area. So once you plug it in, you can see that it's charging. One thing about this monitor is that you can see it can rotate and tilt in different ways. And one thing I like about it is that it can also detect movement. It also detects danger zone, and also the crying and the noise, temperature and humidity, and also you can also do feeding alerts and feeding reminder with it. So right here you can click on the menu. Once you click on the menu button, you can do all sorts of things. The first thing you can do is, of course, you can increase the volume. You can also change the brightness, so I can make it darker or brighter. And then I can also use it to take pictures. I can record footage. I can also play something. I can also play music. Also, we have the lights, and also we do have the settings in there. So overall, this camera, baby monitor camera, it's very durable. I also like that it's small in size, so you could travel with it and you don't have to worry about something else, especially when you go visiting. You can carry this and put in your bag. Very durable, and I absolutely love it.